Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in this video, it's kind of a continuation of changing the battery, but this is specific to the charging port on the Galaxy S9. I have the new part here, but I already took everything apart, and it's basically to take off the screws that are on there. I believe it's 5 of them, and disconnect. Let me see if you can see on here real quick. You know, like the cables here, the connections here, the connections here on the side, and then putting in the new charging port. So it does have on the side, you can see the glue or the sticky stuff that is on there that holds the phone. You're gonna have to, guys, maneuver around that or take it off so it won't get in the way, and then put it back or put in the new one as well. Okay, so I'll show the video of it disconnected and then putting it in as well.